worth an extra dose of time? And how much time would you say it's worth to really focus on this as a priority?
Well, you just have to look at customer lifetime value and how much revenue are you losing each time a customer leaves. And so most companies make this big mistake. They're like, okay, well, customer X left. Let's say their customer lifetime value, I don't know, was 100,000. And they just look at that current revenue. What they're not realizing is that there's also lost future revenue opportunities that can be as high as 2 times that current lifetime customer value. So future opportunities for upselling, for cross-selling, for renewals, for positive word of mouth marketing and referrals. Like
Right.
that can be a huge chunk of revenue, not to mention all the time and money spent in acquiring the customer and serving them up to that point. So there's this idea that, oh, well, it was just $100,000. We'll just go find another customer that will replace that revenue. Well, if you're just constantly replacing revenue, you're actually not growing. So not only do you have to replace and look at those future revenue opportunities that were lost and the cost to serve that's already been paid out, you also have to look at replacement plus an extra customer to be able to then grow. So it's far more complex. I think people just get caught in the simplification. 100,000 out. Okay, we'll just replace with 100,000. Great. Everything's fine. And it's absolutely not like that at all.